In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create ads with ad units on Google AdSense. This simple yet powerful process will allow you to efficiently manage and monetize your website's ad space. Let's dive right in. First, you need to head over to the home section of your Google AdSense account. This is your dashboard, the central hub where you can access all aspects of ad management. Make sure you're logged in with your Google account to have access to all the features you'll need. Once you've settled on the dashboard, your next step is to click on the Ads section. This is where all the magic happens. Within this tab, you can track performance, manage existing ads, and of course create new ones. Keep an eye on the various metrics available here, as they'll be invaluable in understanding how your ads are performing. Next, we're going to focus on individual ad units. Click on the link for ad units. This area allows you to create specific kinds of ads that fit best with your website's design and your monetization strategy. It's a powerful tool for more targeted ad management. Now locate and click on display ads. This option is particularly popular because it allows for a range of visual styles and is versatile enough for most websites. Choosing display ads gives you more control over the appearance and placement of ads, making them more effective for your visitors. Once you've settled on a display ad, you'll need to name it. Naming your ad units helps you keep track of which ad is where and makes it easier to analyze their performance later. Choose something descriptive so you can easily recognize it among other ads. Then you'll have a major decision to make to choose between a responsive or a fixed size for your ad unit. Responsive ads adapt to different screen sizes automatically, which is ideal if your site is frequently accessed from various devices. On the other hand, fixed size ads can be a good choice if you have specific dimensions in mind or a layout that's best suited for static sizes. If you opted for a fixed size, you'll now need to specify the width and height. Carefully consider the layout of your site and the placement of this ad. Make sure it complements your existing content without overwhelming it. With all these options set, it's time to create the ad unit. Go ahead and click create. The system will now generate your ad code, a snippet of code that you'll need to insert into your website. Once you have your code, copy it. This code is crucial as it's what allows the ad to actually appear on your site. Finally, after copying the code, click Done to complete the process. You've successfully created an ad unit in Google AdSense. Now all that's left is to paste the code into your site's HTML where you want the ad to appear, and there you have it, a straightforward guide to creating ads with ad units in Google AdSense. Follow these steps carefully and you'll be well on your way to optimizing your website's ad revenue. Thank you for tuning in and happy ad creating.